Here's a problem about cylinders right here. A cylindrical paint roller has a diameter of 2.5 inches and a length of 10 inches. So the first thing I'm going to do off to the side here is I'm going to just sketch a little drawing of it. Since they didn't give us a picture, I kind of sometimes get confused. Sometimes I get confused when there's not pictures, or when there are pictures, but we always want to draw a picture. So diameter is going to be 2.5. Now I know with a cylinder, I need to know the radius. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 2.5 and I'm going to divide it in half, and that will give me my radius. So my radius is 1.25. And it says the length is 10 inches. So that's really going to be my height when I'm talking about cylinders. So it says apply the formula to determine the lateral surface area of the paint roller. So lateral surface area of the paint roller is going to be, let me see if I can remember, 2 pi r h. So basically we're finding the circumference and we're multiplying it by the height. So now I can just plug stuff in. So 2 times pi times my radius, 1.25, times my height, which is 10. And that makes it a lot easier. So let's put this in the calculator. 2 pi times 1.25 times 10. And I get a lateral surface area of 78.5, and I believe inches squared. So 78.5 inches squared. Apply the formula to determine the total surface area. So now total surface area, if you remember, it's going to be our lateral surface area. So 2 pi r(h) plus the area of my bases. And I have 2 bases. So it's going to be 2 times pi r squared because the base is a circle. So again, I can just plug stuff in. I already know this part, so I'm just going to take that from the question above, 78.5 plus 2 pi, my radius, which is 1.25 squared. So let's put this in our calculator, 78.5 plus 2 pi, 1.25 squared, and that gives me a total surface area of 88.3. And that would be inches squared.